This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Studio Gallery with a 16 by 12 by 16 inch canvas and some latex semi-gloss pillow paint and some onyx. They're both Walmart Color Place paints, and I want to cheat. I want to put a layer of paint to the outside edge and hope that there's enough of it so that it won't begin to get too gloppy. Although if I'm fast enough I won't have to worry about it, but I'm not sure I'm fast enough. This is my OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula, best paint spreading tool I know of. I don't really need to spread this flat, but I want to get all the paint off it right now. Then I'm going to take my pillow paint, and I have the blacks coming right up. Let's just move some of that right now. Let's see if I think there's enough, and I don't. I'm not sure about the black. I'm still learning all kinds of new things about doing this. I watch other people. But I can't seem to do all of the tricks all of the time, and I would like to learn. And the only way I know to learn is to practice. So I'm going to put those someplace that I won't tip them over, hopefully. Give it a little bit more of a tilt to spread. Looks like the white wants to swallow the black, which is, I guess, okay. I just want to put some odd black shapes in there to make it more interesting. But it is definitely swallowing it. I'm pretty sure it'll come back again. Alright, so now I have Prizm Pour paints and Primary Elements paints from Color Art, and there's a 20% off coupon code underneath the video. I have a beautiful Color Art tool that I've already lost the insignia on the handle, and I think I'm going to put my oranges on the handle along with the pinks and put my blues down, and I have a brand new blue called Blue Flame, which is a primary element, pigment powder. And I wanted to use that with a combination of cerulean blue, violet rose, and deep amethyst. And I think I'm going to vary them. Time to make some more deep amethyst. Yes. I see that now. Alright, here comes some violet rose. I know this will come out well because I just made this up. And here's the cerulean blue, which is one of my favorites. That Blue Flame is so electric. I see people use an awful lot of paint to do this, and I have not really ever given myself complete permission to go crazy with it. I'm going to throw a little bit of the shiny taffeta and maybe, maybe some of the French silk just to add a little shimmer. That's true silver. Maybe the true silver. No. I'm going to do the Chantilly lace, which is a little plugged. Is that Chantilly lace? No, that is what I wanted. That's the French silk. And I gotta clear that tip. Now, here comes the interesting part, for me at least. I'm gonna put Amsterdam White in Aussie Floetrol along with Ready to go. Amsterdam black. I was. It was open when I checked it. Oh, you know what? I've got another container here, and I'm happy to use it. This is going to be a super loaded paddle. The gold. I'm hoping that my passion is open. And this is Orange Crush. The passion is a primary element, and the Orange Crush is a Prizm pour. Take my paddle and wipe it off. Not that I'm sure. I'm pretty sure I'm not going to use it again. So I'll just put that in the bucket. I do have a pour tray. I did skip a couple colors, but they're on standby in case I want to add them. Let's get these out of the way for the moment. So I have elbow room. Can't wait to see what this turns out to be like. I never know with these because I'm no expert, but I am learning. Now, do I want to put any little flourishes in there? Because this is the time to do that. Who knows what's going to get tipped off and what's going to stay. Like I said, I have a pour tray. And I tried to leave a lot of white space around the edge because I wanted to be able to pour to the edge and stretch the paint out. It does look like I missed a corner over there, which is not my intention. Maybe it just started to dry. Alright, I'm not giving away any paint if I can help it. And I tried to leave enough, tried to use enough paint so I could stretch it out. I know I'm going to have to pour something away. I'm pretty sure I'm not going to get to keep any black. I think I'm ready to go back over here again. I'm ready to pop that bubble even though it's not quite time yet to make sure it's... This takes a little bit of time. It's not something I'm used to. I love being able to see the bubbles though. Alright, I'm going to use some of that paint right there, right now on that corner. Knock the rest off with my finger. Bring it all back again. My plan is sort of working. At least as well as I had hoped. Just to be able to move the paint to cover much of the canvas without having to pour a lot of it away. Now I knew I needed a good sized pillow in the center. It'd be nice to be able to keep a little bit of black, wouldn't it? I like the fiery end and the icy end. Whoa, gotta be careful. Do not want to drop one of these. I'm going to take my finger and do the same thing I did. And I have paint. I don't need to tip all the way if I have a little tiny blank spot on the edge because I've got paint and I can fill it in. And I will. Those lines are very straight. I think I want to do something about that. Bring it back down, I guess. I will be popping bubbles for a while. I am loving the color combinations. I'm just over here taking paint off my edges, hoping that I can make that go all the way to that edge, thinking that I would prefer it. Knowing full well that I could actually scoop some of that up and put it down again if I'd have left my palette knife where I could find it. And I want to do it. And paint will flow to paint, so that's actually pretty cool. I need to get some of the paint off my hands for a second. I think I'm going to learn something new every time I do this. And I really want to do something with this line here. I guess I'm pretty close. I didn't do a lot of spiraling flourishes or anything. It's very different, which is okay. Not complaining. I am going to shimmer that at you. I think I'm going to add a little more of a flourish here. Because I can. The name of my first book on the Amazon link, next to my second book called Unlimited Possibilities. A few spirals never hurt anybody. I like spirals. We know that about me. If there's anything left on my edges that needs to be filled in, I will do that after you are gone. And right now, I have to choose a way up. I don't know, that's pretty cool. I'm trying to decide if I'm done or not, so I can shimmer it at you. I should tell you I have over 2,500 videos, and I'm going to need to pop some bubbles with something with a point on the end of it, not any of which I'm finding easily. So let's just shimmer the light at you. Huh. This one's a tough one to shimmer, but up close it's gorgeous. There's a bubble. Wow, the details are gorgeous. Alright, so 2,500 videos you can find by going to my channel and looking for playlists, all playlists, created playlists. You can find my Amazon link on my link tree, along with Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, and my Facebook groups. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More is for shoppingpixels.com, Fine Art America, Society 6, Legalerist Clothing, all also on the link tree. But you can see pictures more readily, I guess. I've got most of my edges, and I'm happy with this. The more I look at it, the more I fall in love with it. Although, I can't seem to get it centralized. Alright, you guys take care of each other, take care of yourselves. Whatever I forgot to tell you is I can make any pattern into an item on any of my sites, for the most part. You can't hurt to ask. Thank you for all of the kind words and compliments. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for when you share my videos. Thank you for when you watch them longer, and know that I love you dearly and you inspire the heck out of me, and I am going to change my post time. I may have already done so, from noon to about somewhere between 3 p.m. and 3:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I will be touching up my edges for a couple of minutes, but I think I'm pretty good. I'll see you anon. Whatever I forgot, you'll have to see in another video. Oh, I do sell my art. I do give lessons at the house. And my email address is easpb, and the word gallery spelled out, at gmail.com. If you'd like to make an inquiry after purchasing an artwork, you could make my day or my year. Either way, I love you guys. Bye for now. Priscilla out.